What's up, guys? Happy St. Patty's Day. Tomorrow.
Today is St. Patty's Day.
I thought tomorrow was St. Patty's Day.
Today's the 17th.
Alexa, when is St. Patrick's Day?
St. Patrick's Day is today. The next St. Patrick's Day is on Tuesday, March 17th, 2020.
So anyway, happy St. Patty's Day today. Hope you guys are drinking your green beer and having loving life. We won't be, because we are kind of partial to ketosis and the feelings that go from that.
We're still in the whole weight loss.
Yeah, we're still weight loss
part of it, and don't really want to cheat. Because I said I was not going to cheat for the first 3 months.
It's true. I'm outside of 3 months though.
I said I wasn't going to cheat for the
I know,
first
but I'm
3 months.
outside 3 months now.
What are you at now?
As far as how long it's been?
Yeah, is it? Are you 13 weeks?
13 weeks, yeah.
So that makes me 10 weeks.
13 weeks. And still feeling good. Mm-hmm. No real weight loss this week. But I think it's water retention. I drink a lot of water. So overall, as long as the trend is continuing to decline, we're good. Ketones, my glucose is a little elevated. It's a 101, so that's weird. But my ketones are 0.5, so that's pretty decent. What your numbers were?
I am down. I just looked at it.
Oh, and blood pressure is looking fan-freaking-tastic, by the way.
That's good. 4.2 pounds from last week.
4.2 pounds!
I forgot to take a picture of the scale.
Yep, me too. This is new for us.
Yeah. So I can do a screenshot of my app.
Yeah.
So I'm down to 257.4. So I'm honing in on that under 250, which I have not been in.
So who do you think it's going to be? Am I going to get to 300 pounds or is Stacy going to get to 250 pounds? Let us know below.
Where are you at?
I'm at 315.
You have 15 pounds. I only have 7.
I know. But men lose weight faster than women.
Anyway, continuing on with other numbers. Ketones are at 2.9, which is kind of amazing considering that this week I have had a lot of protein.
Speak it out. Use your words.
My glucose, that's what I'm trying to say. My glucose is only at 87, which has been pretty on par lately.
I feel like my hair is messed up.
And my my blood pressure was 106 over what was it? 106 over today. God, I hate technology. Oh, technology has to operate immediately, but her brain giving a pass.
106
over 62.
Yeah.
So I had the question of...
She's practically dead.
How low is too low?
So we'll find out how low is too low. And we'll throw that up here. Drinking my coffee. Got my Fresh Prince. Fresh Prince. My Fresh Prince of Bel-Air right here. Yes. Non-scale victory for Greg this week. I decided I needed to trim my belt. It was getting too long and it was going too far. So... if you ever wanted to know what 6 inches looks like, everybody. Whoops. Stacy, you want to know what 6 inches looks like?
Apparently you can't handle 6 inches.
Well, luckily I was blessed with less. She's laughing because it's not actually true. Or she's laughing because it is true and I just have a really different perspective of what my thing looks like. I'm not even sure right now. It's been a while since she's probably seen it. It's been a while since I've seen it. Anyway. Ketoing right along. 6 inches.
I had some non-scale victories.
Yes. Tell us about your non-scale victories.
I have... This is probably... I don't know if this is going to sound weird.
Okay.
But... I held on to some bras and underwear.
I think we're weird.
That I grew out of. And
she's a big girl now.
And I can
oh yeah, that's definitely problems.
And what else?
She was modeling around in the bedroom for me. You're like, oh my god, do you remember like, uh-huh. Do you remember these? Uh-huh.
I tried on a sweatshirt that I haven't worn in quite some time that I stopped wearing because I grew out of that too, and that fit. And this shirt in particular used to be really tight when I first got it. Not really tight, but it was definitely form-fitting, and now as you can see, it's like pretty loose.
Pork. She's gonna need a minute.
Yeah, so there was this pair of pants that we received by mistake from Torrid, which is my favorite store.
That's where those pants came from.
Yeah, because Greg ordered some stuff from Hot Topic, and he was sent an order from Torrid.
Imagine my disappointment.
So we kept it because why not? It was free.
Right.
I think they even told you to keep it because you called.
They told me I could drop it off or keep it or whatever.
So we kept it. And the pants were, at that time, probably about a size and a half too small for me by their sizing. So I was like probably between a 2 and 3 in the pants, and they were a size 1. I put those on today, and they fit.
Hot damn.
They're not the cutest because they're all like florally, and I'm not a big fan of floral, but they're...
She'll sweat in them.
They're on trend.
Yeah.
So...
She'll sweat in them.
I'll wear them.
Yeah. I got a new toy this week. This thing's ridiculously expensive for what it does. But I got my Osmo Pocket as Bill and Stace from Keto Sunshine.
Stacy and Bill.
Stacy and Bill.
Stacy and Bill?
Stacy and
Bill. I can't remember. It changed.
Sunshine, Stacy and Bill. Yes.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Keto. They have keto in there.
Yes, Keto. It's Keto Sunshine, Stacy and Bill or something like that. Yeah. Anyway, they changed it a few times. So, I got my Osmo Pocket. And now I can hook up like a microphone because the audio on this thing is not spectacular. But now I'm being able to, boink, I can plug like my microphone that I'm using to record this on. And boom, we got ourselves a vlogging machine.
I feel like I could use my head to scrub some dishes.
Yeah, I don't know, this hair crap is kind of nasty. When it's laying against me like this, it's like what I felt like when my hair was too long and I'm like, okay, I gotta get it cut now. So,
I
got like a lot of things going on with my hair right now. Definitely a bad hair day for me. I got like these little whimsical little strands that are like, ugh. Anyway, nothing wrong with having long green hair in your face if that's what you're into. But not this guy. So we are gonna do some planning-ish. We're gonna figure out some new recipes to try this week from some of our 500 cookbooks. And we are also gonna give the cookbook away at the end of this video, so you have to watch the whole thing, guys. Like the whole thing, start to finish, to see who won. Then we're gonna build a grocery list, and then we're gonna go get stuff that we need for the week, and also stuff we need for the recipes. So in our grocery shop today, we have what? Sam's, Costco,
Earth
Fair, and
we need to go to Sewell's.
Oh. Stacy found some ice cream she thinks is going to be awesome.
I'm super excited about it.
She is. What is it called? Wink?
Wink.
Yeah, so we'll have something like that probably at a later point. But
if they have it, hopefully.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we're ordering it online. They have cookies, too.
Oh, they have cookies. And goody. More sweets that we shouldn't be eating. Filling ourselves with cheese! We're going to do some burgers on the grill tonight. Super stoked about that.
These are
sweet
vanilla Swerve sweets cake mix. They're green because it's St. Patty's Day, and I put green food coloring in them to make it more festive.
We're not going to toast again?
Dan just wants to eat.
Dan wants to eat. It actually tastes like cupcakes.
Mm-hmm.
How's the frosting? The frosting is that weird sugar.
They're interesting. The frosting's a weird sugar. But the
Well,
cupcakes,
I didn't do like buttercream. I just did kind of like a glaze type frosting
they're good. I could eat it.
because I don't have
Here,
any
Dan, eat it.
cool hot butter. And Corey's not eating the whole thing
Show Mama
because
how
she's
to
doing
piggy
Weight
eat,
Watchers.
Dan. Come on.
And that was
I'm
1
working
point.
on it, man.
1 point right
1
there.
point. Woohoo!
Happy St. Patty's Day!
What do you think that one bite is? 8 grams?
12.
Do you?
Oh my god, he hates it!
Just kidding.
Yeah,
12
he likes it.
12.7 to be specific.
That's good.
It's like
Do you think
cake.
it's 12?
It's like
Regular
cupcake.
So that's the same sugar that's in the mix is in the same sugar that's on the frosting.
Yeah.
I can taste it in the frosting.
Yeah.
Doesn't have the chocolate covering it up, that's why. Or the vanilla. I guess it's vanilla. isn't
Strange.
it?
It's almost like
Minty.
minty.
Yeah.
Like it's
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got that cooling effect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
3 net carbs
3 net carbs?
That's the limit for salt.
per serving.
Yes.
Is
3
that
net
what
carbs.
that is?
Yep.
And the doggies can't have it, right?
Nate. Nate had the chocolate. So he
Yeah, and he
could
had
say
the
which
chocolate
one he
last time,
likes
so he
better.
can tell us.
It's a little less firm than the last one.
A little less dry. It's amazing what cooking to the right temperature and time is.
good.
It was the right temperature. It was just the wrong time.
It's good for a diet cupcake.
Fake.
Oh, you and your freaking diet this, diet that.
Usually it's fake. Usually it's fake cupcakes.
No, it was fake cheesecake.
Fake cheesecake.
cheesecake.
Right.
Diet cupcakes.
Even though it was passable and he couldn't tell the difference between that and
Exactly,
regular
it's still a
cheesecake.
fake
It's still
Still fake cheesecake.
So was that a fake cupcake in the same caliber?
I
Other
mean,
than
the
the frosting?
cheesecake is better.
Well,
I don't
obviously.
like the frosting.
Yeah.
It's weird.
It's just it doesn't add to it.
Probably would have been better if I used butter. If I did buttercream.
Buttercream because
instead
of the high. Yep.
Honestly,
sugar
if the
glaze.
frosting wasn't on it, I probably wouldn't be able to tell it was a diet cupcake.
There's another one if
Fair
you want to
enough.
eat it.
No, good. All right.
All right, here we go with the drawing of the cookbook. I'm gonna get in the website, fetch the comments, pick a winner. Hey, look at that! It's Nerdy Bry Guy. Congratulations, you won the Maria Emmerich Keto Restaurant Favorites Cookbook. Go ahead and send us your information to our email address, which is our.unscripted.reviews@gmail.com, and we'll get that book out to you.
All right, guys. So Stacy and I are testing out the sweet treat Swerve sweets.
Swerve.
Yeah, ketogenic, whatever.
There's no. He just shoves it in his mouth.
It's not bad. I don't notice the frosting as much as they do because this is our sugar-free life. Yeah. So, but there's some little mintiness to it. But the good news is the cupcake's green, so you just think the mint's from that.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Do you?
I like it.
I don't know. I don't think you do. Lucy, you can't have one.
Lucy wants one.
Get right out. Get out of here. All right, guys. That's our video for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.
Stay keto.
We'll see you in the next video.